Hi there. I told you it wouldn't be long and I would be back. So I'm going to start making videos on a regular basis again. And I have a new Armoire shipment. It's only 3 items because I only sent 3 things back. So this will be a quick on and off video. Okay, so let's see what we have. Actually, like, our weather is really changing lately. It's hot and then it's chilly and then it's hot and then it's chilly, so you never know what to wear. I probably got too warm of things, but I really love this sweater dress. I like the pink color. It's got like the little cutout here, so I can't wait to try that on. And then I have this beautiful blouse. That looked really beautiful in the photos. Okay, so it's a pullover. I was thinking it was a button up top, but I do really like the print in it. Isn't that pretty? Very unique, kind of like peacock and animal print all together. And then I got these leather pants. Can't wait to try these on. Okay, oh, they feel so soft. And so we've got us nice leather pants, and I thought these would go well together. It looks like they really do. Okay, let's try them on. Okay, first up is the pink sweater dress, and I almost feel like I'm in between. I mean, I know it's kind of snug, but I feel like I'm in between sizes because I have to pull. Maybe I should wear a different bra, but this kind of droops down. I thought it would be like a little bit tighter. I don't know. It needs a little bit of steaming there. But it is a beautiful, I love the color. The color is so gorgeous. It's a very pretty dress. I like the length, don't you? I mean, it's not too short. It's cute. I do like it. I'll definitely wear it at least once, maybe out to dinner or something, but I don't think I'll be wearing it to work. So let me tell you about this one. This is the Ellie Tahari mock neck keyhole sweater dress, size medium, and it retails for $2.95, and I could get it for $2.15. But I don't know, maybe a small would be too small, but I just feel like maybe that's how it's supposed to fit. Okay, so I've got this one. I only have the one more outfit to show you. So like I said, this is going to be hopping on and off. And I don't know, this day has just been wild. Does anyone else feel like time is just flying by all of a sudden? It's like everything just sped up, by 10 times or 100 times. So anyway, I had all these things to do today, and I got home and now it's dinner time. So let me try on this other outfit and I'll be right back. Oh my goodness, my friends, love this. These pants feel incredible. You can tell that they are high quality. We've got pockets here, pockets in the back, but they just feel amazing. Really cute how they have a zipper on the bottom. Anyway, lovely pants. The top is nice too. Like I said, I should read descriptions better. I just look at pictures. I'm like, oh yeah, I like that one. I had in my mind it was a button down, but it's, a regular top, pullover top. But I love it. It's kind of subtle with the animal print. So I put my animal print belt on. I thought that kind of worked. And then my shoes have a little bit, maybe you can see the zipper there, but my shoes have a little bit of a print on those too. So kind of cool. But let me read to you about these. So this is why I love renting. I mean, I couldn't afford to buy these and have all this variety because, I'd have to buy a new outfit every couple days, and I just really can't do that. So that's what I love about renting. And with this, and you get such fine clothes. So this pants are avec les filets. I don't know. I'm probably saying it totally wrong. AVECLES FILLES, but it's Faux-Leather leather. So, Faux-Leather leather tapered pant. These are size medium, and they retail for $99, nearly $79. I thought for sure they would be way more expensive. So I think these are going to stay here at my house, possibly. We'll see. And then that's the other problem of renting, or one of the downsides. Okay, then the top is Farinaz tag. We're really getting like some tough ones to pronounce. Farinaz Taghavi. I'll put it up on the screen. This is a long sleeve gathered V-neck printed blouse. I just love the print. I think it's gorgeous print. And this is size small, and it would be $185 normally, $92 on sale. But for me, the pants are cheaper than the top. I would have thought the other way around by feeling these pants. Of course, they're faux leather, so maybe that's why. All right. Well, thank you so much for watching, and I will have more coming up very soon. I will see you all in the next video. Thanks for watching. I'm happy to be back.